In the annals of history, there are few inventors whose genius and creativity have left as indelible a mark as Badi al-Zaman Abu al-Izz ibn Ismail ibn al-Razaz al-Jazari, better known simply as Al-Jazari. Living in the Islamic Golden Age, Al-Jazari was an extraordinary engineer, inventor, and scholar whose contributions to mechanical engineering are still marveled at today. Among his many remarkable inventions, one stands out for its ingenuity and complexity: the water-powered clock, also known as the castle clock, created in 1206. Al-Jazari was born in 1136 in the region now known as Turkey, within the Artukid dynasty. This period was a time of great scientific and cultural achievements in the Islamic world, with scholars making significant advancements in fields such as mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and engineering. Al-Jazari served as the chief engineer at the Artukid court, where he was responsible for constructing and maintaining various intricate devices. His work culminated in his famous manuscript, the Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices, which detailed 50 mechanical devices, including pumps, clocks, and automata. The castle clock, one of his most celebrated inventions, was an elaborate water-powered astronomical clock that not only told time, but also displayed the zodiac, the solar and lunar orbits, and even featured a variety of automata. This grand clock was designed to be both a functional timepiece and a decorative masterpiece, showcasing Al-Jazari's deep understanding of mechanics and his artistic flair. The castle clock was a towering structure, standing about 11 feet high. It was made of wood and metal, intricately decorated to reflect the grandeur of the Artukid court. The clock's design incorporated several layers of functionality, making it one of the most sophisticated timekeeping devices of its time. At its core, the clock operated using a water-driven mechanism that regulated the movement of various components. The clock's main mechanism relied on a water wheel, which was powered by a steady flow of water from a reservoir. This water wheel turned a series of gears and pulleys, which in turn drove the movements of the clock's hands and other features. One of the most impressive aspects of the castle clock was its ability to display multiple pieces of information simultaneously. It featured a dial that indicated the time, a display of the zodiac signs, and representations of the solar and lunar phases. In addition to its primary timekeeping functions, the castle clock also included several automata, mechanical figures that moved in a predetermined sequence. These figures were designed to enhance the visual appeal of the clock and to demonstrate the sophisticated engineering principles at work. For example, the clock had a scribe that would automatically write the time on a piece of paper, a falcon that would release a ball to signal the hour, and various musicians that would play instruments at specific times. The clock's intricate design and multifaceted functionality were a testament to Al-Jazari's genius. He meticulously detailed the construction and operation of the castle clock in his manuscript, ensuring that future generations could appreciate and learn from his work. His descriptions included detailed diagrams and step-by-step instructions, highlighting his commitment to education and the dissemination of knowledge. Al-Jazari's castle clock was not just a marvel of engineering, it also reflected the cultural and scientific values of the Islamic Golden Age. The integration of astronomical and astrological elements into the clock's design demonstrated the importance of celestial observations in medieval Islamic science. The clock's ability to track the movements of the sun, moon, and stars was a valuable tool for scholars and astrologers who used this information for various purposes, including navigation, agriculture, and religious practices. The cultural significance of the castle clock extended beyond its scientific applications. It was a symbol of the Artukid dynasty's patronage of the arts and sciences, showcasing their commitment to fostering intellectual and artistic endeavors. The clock was a centerpiece of the Artukid court, impressing visitors with its grandeur and sophistication. It served as a testament to the dynasty's wealth, power, and appreciation for innovation. The legacy of Al-Jazari and his castle clock continued to influence the development of mechanical engineering and timekeeping for centuries. His work laid the foundation for future advancements in clockmaking, automata, and hydraulic engineering. The principles and mechanisms he developed were studied and refined by subsequent generations of engineers and inventors, both in the Islamic world and in Europe. One of the key contributions of Al-Jazari's castle clock was its use of water power to drive complex mechanical systems. This innovation paved the way for the development of other water-powered devices, such as mills and pumps, which played a crucial role in the economic and industrial development of societies. The concept of using water to regulate the movement of gears and pulleys was a precursor to the development of more advanced timekeeping mechanisms, such as the pendulum clock. Al-Jazari's work also had a profound impact on the field of automata. His designs for mechanical figures that moved in intricate sequences demonstrated the potential for creating lifelike movements using mechanical principles. This inspired future inventors to develop increasingly sophisticated automata, leading to the creation of complex mechanical dolls, clocks, and other devices that fascinated and entertained people for centuries. The castle clock is a shining example of the ingenuity and creativity that characterize the Islamic Golden Age. It stands as a testament to the rich legacy of scientific and technological innovation that flourished during this period. Al-Jazari's contributions to mechanical engineering and timekeeping continue to be celebrated and studied by historians, engineers, and enthusiasts around the world. Today, replicas of the castle clock can be found in museums and exhibitions, allowing people to marvel at the ingenuity of this medieval masterpiece. These replicas serve as a reminder of the incredible achievements of Al-Jazari and his contemporaries, who pushed the boundaries of knowledge and creativity in their quest to understand and manipulate the natural world. The story of Al-Jazari and his castle clock is a powerful reminder of the enduring human spirit of innovation. It highlights the importance of curiosity, creativity, and a willingness to experiment and explore new ideas. Al-Jazari's work exemplifies the fusion of art and science, demonstrating that the pursuit of knowledge is a multifaceted endeavor that can lead to beautiful and functional creations. The water-powered clock of Al-Jazari, created in 1206, is a remarkable example of medieval engineering and ingenuity. Its intricate design, multifunctional capabilities, and cultural significance make it a standout achievement in the history of timekeeping and mechanical engineering. Al-Jazari's contributions to these fields have left a lasting legacy, inspiring future generations to continue exploring the possibilities of innovation and creativity. The castle clock remains a testament to the brilliance of Al-Jazari and the enduring spirit of human curiosity and ingenuity. As we reflect on the legacy of Al-Jazari and his castle clock, we are reminded of the incredible achievements of the past and the limitless potential of the future. The story of this remarkable invention encourages us to embrace our own creativity, to pursue our passions, and to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The castle clock is not just a marvel of engineering, it is a symbol of the enduring quest for knowledge and the unyielding human spirit. Beyond its technical and aesthetic marvels, the castle clock also represents a profound understanding of the natural world. Al-Jazari's integration of water, an elemental and life-sustaining resource, into his clock's mechanism speaks to a deeper connection between human ingenuity and nature. This harmonious blend of natural forces and mechanical precision exemplifies the holistic approach to science and technology during the Islamic Golden Age. Moreover, the castle clock's influence can be seen in various cultural contexts. In the Renaissance period, European scholars and engineers drew inspiration from Islamic science and technology. The transmission of knowledge through texts and artifacts like Al-Jazari's manuscript played a crucial role in the development of Western science. The castle clock, with its intricate mechanisms and multifunctional design, served as a model for European clockmakers and engineers who sought to replicate and build upon Al-Jazari's innovations.